Hi, Michael Gaffney, Jamali Supply Store. Go ahead in there. It's where all the stars in New York shop. This is where Martha Stewart, all her employees shop. It's where you get all your hard goods. In other words, non-living material. I like how New Yorkers expect you to stop. They stop for you. It's New York City. Come on in, this is Jamali. I get all my vases, all my containers, all my foam, all my everything. I'll let you go in first, you're my guest. Woo, it's looking good. They have everything here at Jamali, from hard goods to silk goods. These are all your hanging vines when you're doing large events at the Met Gala and you want them hanging from the ceiling. They are beautiful. It's their new line, their new collection of hanging vines, suitable to wear in the streets of New York City. So check them out. They're at Jamali, of course, 28th Street. You got vases, you got ribbons everywhere. You got crowning glory, you know, my secret weapon. You've got even cow skins for your floor. I don't know where those came from. But let's take a walk down this aisle. So when I have a special client, I'll come here looking for containers. Perhaps a candelabra. I'll put an arrangement on top of that. Or gold cubes, gold is in. Here's one of my favorites. This is a mint julep cup. Works really well for all kinds of designs. In that $45 to $100 centerpiece, mint juleps, I get them here. Made famous by what race? The Kentucky Derby. Hanging white lights abound, Jamali. These are one of my favorite things, these big silver urns. Those are very useful to a designer. We always do 2 big urns at the church. And they also have all your glassware, the more expensive lines, when your client doesn't want to spend $25 to $45 on a container. They have a second floor here. Make sure you go up to your second floor. It's called Jamali, Jamali. They've got a second floor where they have more, usually seasonal things. Now they have all their spring silk flowers upstairs. Jamali, Jamali, Jamali. Oh, there's some more urns. Nice collection right up here. Pretty urns, giant urns. So if you're in New York City, Jamali is located between 6th and 7th on 28th Street. This is the Flower Avenue where everybody congregates for flowers. Again, today we're on the hunt for Dennis Basso. We met him this morning and I'm trying to get him my book. So we're running up and down 28th Street. And in the meantime, I'm showing you all the hot spots on Flower Avenue, they call it. I'm Michael Gaffney. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe below. I have tons of in-class videos coming. I'm Michael Gaffney Flowers on Instagram. And flowerschool101.com will get you into my class. I'll see you. Come to Jamali. Keep blooming.